Welcome to the best picks. The best LP record cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for any vinyl enthusiast who wants to preserve their prized collection and enjoy the purest, most pristine audio experience. A clean record ensures that every crackle, pop, and subtle nuance of the music comes through without the interference of dust, dirt, or other debris that can degrade sound quality and even damage the grooves over time. This video will help you navigate the world of LP record cleaner kits, helping you choose the best one to keep your vinyl collection sounding its absolute best. Number 5. Big Fudge Vinyl Cleaning Kit. Rediscover the richness of your vinyl collection. This kit provides a professional clean, removing dust and dirt for pristine sound quality. Say goodbye to dust, dirt, and fingerprints. The anti-static velvet brush and cleaning liquid work together to make cleaning effortless. Keep your valuable vinyl records in top condition for years to come. It's the key to preserving your collection and enjoying your music. Don't forget the stylus brush. It removes particles from your record player's needle, preventing damage and ensuring optimal performance. This 4-in-1 kit has everything you need: a velvet brush, cleaning liquid, stylus brush, and a convenient storage pouch. It's perfect for vinyl lovers on the go. Unlike harsh brushes, the soft velvet material won't scratch your precious vinyl. It's also safe for cleaning other delicate surfaces like your phone screen. What we like. It's a complete kit with everything you need to clean your records and stylus. The ultra-soft velvet brush is gentle on your precious vinyl and won't scratch them. If you're looking for a convenient and safe way to keep your records in top condition, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The fine quality of the record cleaning brush is amazing, and the hairs on the stylus cleaner are too fine to see and work excellently. Incredible difference in sound with a good cleaning from this. The velvet sponge is easy to use, and the cleaner left my records looking sparkly new. Number 4. VinylPro Record Brush. This innovative brush gently cleans your vinyl records, removing dust and dirt before each play. Enjoy pristine audio quality every time. Its extra soft carbon fiber bristles effortlessly lift away harmful particles. No messy liquids or gels are needed. It eliminates static charges that attract dust and degrade sound quality. Experience a cleaner, more enjoyable listening experience. Unlike other brushes, its rounded corners prevent accidental damage to your precious records. The self-cleaning handle ensures it's always ready to use. We're confident in its quality and durability. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer an easy return policy. It's an ideal gift for beginners, serious collectors, or anyone who appreciates high-quality audio. Its sleek design complements any setup. What we like. This brush effectively removes dust and dirt, and eliminates static charges. Its unique design prevents damage to your records. If you are looking for a simple yet effective way to clean your records without any liquids, this is for you. What people say. It gets in deep and lifts all the dust out. The brush is the perfect size for cleaning a 12-inch record, and feels great in the hand. The carbon fiber bristles seem just the right stiffness, and very gentle on the vinyl surface. After cleaning a few of my dustier records, I could notice a definite improvement in sound clarity and fidelity. The Boundless Audio Record Cleaner Brush is a highly effective tool for vinyl maintenance, featuring carbon fiber anti-static bristles that gently yet efficiently remove dust and prevent static buildup. Its ergonomic design ensures ease of use, making record cleaning simple and effective. Number 3. Ultimate Vinyl Cleaning Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your vinyl records sounding their best. It's a complete solution for cleaning and maintaining your collection. You get a velvet brush, microfiber brush, stylus brush, cleaning solution, and a convenient storage pouch. Everything is included for a perfect clean. The extra-large velvet brush features a premium hardwood handle and a curved pad to clean the entire record surface. It's designed for even the most discerning collector. Both the velvet and microfiber brushes boast elegant hardwood handles, providing a comfortable grip and a stylish addition to your audio setup. Our special cleaning fluid is completely alcohol-free, ensuring no residue is left behind on your precious vinyl. Use it with the velvet brush for the best results. With this kit, you can easily remove dust, lint, dirt, and grime, leaving your record sparkling clean and sounding incredible. Enjoy your music. What we like. This kit offers a premium cleaning experience with a large velvet brush and alcohol-free solution. The large brush head covers more surface area for efficient cleaning. If you appreciate quality materials and a superior cleaning experience, this is the kit for you. What people say. The product to be well made, and all items included are useful. The cleaning ability is amazing. I was able to dust and clean my vinyl without worrying about scratching the surface. The velvet brush has a solid hardwood block that is nicely finished and comfortable to hold. The nap on the velvet points in one direction so it picks up dust very effectively. The nylon brush also has a hardwood block. Its bristles are perfect for removing lint and larger debris from your records before you clean them with the velvet brush and cleaning fluid. Number 2. Boundless Audio Vinyl Cleaner. Rediscover your vinyl collection with our record cleaning solution. It deeply cleans your records, removing dirt and dust for a dramatically improved listening experience. It's safe for all types of vinyl, including shellac. This formula contains anti-static agents and leaves no residue, so no rinsing is needed. This economical 17-ounce bottle is perfect for serious collectors. It's enough to clean up to 2,500 record sides. The included nozzle lets you easily refill your existing cleaning kit. Use it with your favorite record washer, brush, or cloth. Regular use improves sound quality and extends the life of your records and stylus by reducing friction during playback. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, we offer an easy return. We're dedicated to your complete satisfaction. What we like. This extra-large bottle of cleaning solution is perfect for serious collectors. It's economical and can be used to refill other kits. If you have a large vinyl collection and want a deep clean, this is the best option for you. What people say. The microfiber towelette comes with is very nice quality and thick. The solution with a microfiber cloth seemed weird, but I was surprised how well it works. I cleaned up my old original 70s record pronounced Lynyrd Skynyrd that over the decades has been played countless times. Had fingerprints and looked like it was a very old record. I was blown away how clean I got it, and it looks like the fluid conditions the record. Last time it looked this good was when it was new. Their new chemical cleaning formula seems to be an improvement on the old formulas. At 6.75 ounces 200 milliliters provides a lot of cleaning formula. I also like the included label protector which protects the inner label on the LP. Number 1. Collector Protector Vinyl Kit. It features a high-quality carbon fiber brush for a thorough yet gentle clean. This effectively removes dust and dirt, eliminating static to prolong the life of your records and enhance the sound quality. Our specially formulated solution deep cleans, prevents static, and leaves no residue. It's alcohol and ammonia-free, ensuring the best care for your vinyl collection. It's simple to use, perfect for beginners and experts alike. Just apply the solution and gently brush your records. The rotating handle makes cleaning fast and effective. Whether it's a cherished classic or a new addition, this kit is perfect for any vinyl record. It's an essential tool for any vinyl lover and makes a great gift. We designed it to be fast, easy, and affordable. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you're unhappy, let us know, and we'll make it right. What we like. This kit combines a high-quality carbon fiber brush with a specially formulated cleaning solution. The rotating handle design makes cleaning quick and easy. If you want a simple, effective, and easy-to-use cleaning kit, this is the one for you. What people say. I have encountered a few with some really gunky smudges, and the spray with a microfiber cloth, with the album laid on a soft cloth on tabletop, firm but gentle pressure following grooves, cleaned it right off. On the ones that were not that bad, I used the brush with a few sprays of cleaner on it, and it pulled off more dust than I had thought was on there. The very fine bristles, though soft, fully removed all the dirt and dust in and outside the grooves. Though I generally take care of my albums, the brush and cleaner produced an added level of clean. The proof was in the before and after sound of my music. The brush spans the entire diameter of my vinyl, so cleanup is very quick. The design of the brush handle allows for easy cleaning of the brush bristles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.